Okay, so let's make sure that's running. Yep, that's running. Okay, so I've got a bit of a set out now so that I know where this image should sit over the satellite image. And that's really the point of everything I was doing before. I know it might look complicated, but basically just working out lines the same way you're probably used to doing it on a drawing board when you're trying to line things up. And so now I can move this image across and be pretty confident it's going to sit on top of my satellite image in the right way. So I'm just going to select it, back to home, go to move. I'm going to have object snap turned on so that I can snap to the corner point there of my boundary and then come across to where I've got the same boundary already set up over my satellite image, and I can snap to that same corner point, and that should sit fairly well over the top of my satellite image. Problem is now I can't see the satellite image anymore. So the little trick I was going to show you is that I can select that image and then simply go to background transparency, and now I can see through the image to the satellite image underneath. So that's an extremely useful image when you have images such as this, which have line work and a plain background, which we have in this case. And then we've got the best of both worlds. So you can see things aren't lining up exactly, but we can assume probably that the image is wrong because the satellite is very rarely wrong. It's a photo of reality. So the drawing here is probably out there. You can see the block outline of the building there. Close in a way, but out. Probably too much to make it useful. But the driveway there, that's not too far off. And the other boundaries there, pretty good. And the most important thing we have is the contours, which we can use when we take this in a moment into Revit. So that's really the purpose of that image, more than the boundaries and the other things. The boundaries will give us a bit of a guide, but the contour is really the most important thing there. So that's all I wanted to show you, and